Now we're doing a little tutorial for 11 through 20. Class, or pas classe, Claire, lis s'il te plaît.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
A little bit slower this time.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, and we have some tips for that. 11, 12, 13. You hear the z sound on the end. 14. Oh, there's the cat again, right? The cat.
Horse.
And now he's sticking
Horse.
out his paw so you can see his toes. Cat toes. Okay? Cat toes.
It's Taurus.
14. Yep,
Torso.
14. Okay. Yeah, his torso. 14. Okay. And then cans, it sounds like
CANS.
sounds like cans of soup or cans of soda. Says, you think about a little speech bubble. He says, bonjour, Madame Davis says, bravo. And then with 17, it's 17. 18 and 19. And then finally, 20. We have two different kinds of vin in French. There's the number 20, spelled this way, and then VIN, which is the word for the national drink of France, vin, wine, because they drink a lot of wine in France. Yeah. So you have the number 20 and the drink vin. Okay? Encore une fois, s'il te plaît, Claire.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Bravo. Merci.